Hi all, this is Carmen and I'm going to show you in this video a bag that I've made. It's and I forget every time the name of the channel. I think Mixed Up Crafts. Yeah. Mixed Up Crafts, I think. Yeah. I will put the link in the description box below to the tutorial that she did. And a colleague is has her birthday next week, so I made her a bag to put put gifts in there. And okay, what did I do? I did this one. It's a paper from a local store. I hope I'm in frame. You see, it's like this. I will put photos in the beginning of the video. You always can see it very clear then. And what did I use? But like I said, papers from a local store from the Action. And this is a die from, I think, oh my heavens, Chaos Crafts, of the other one. Put the link in the description box below if I can find it. It's one from Nicole that Nicole designed. And I love that. Look how cute it is. The layers on top of here. This one she also designed, and I made that one with, I doubled it up. And there are tutorials on YouTube how to make this one. And I put a very shiny AB pearl on there. And as you can see on top, these are breads that I put in there. And this is the back. And it's sea themed. Okay, you can open it like this. It's Velcro over here. And it's like a box. So it's really a box that looks like a bag. You can open it like this. And I have to, oh no, that's good. I put all kinds of goodies for her in here. And it fits like a glove. Really, yeah, fun things. A gold mask, bubbly face mask, or whatever. And look how much space is there is. Party confetti topper, another naughty thing, or whatever. We always laugh about that. Okay, okay, so this is the bag that I've done, and I hope she will like this. It's nice to give as a gift, and put some funny things in there. And yeah, if you have questions, just let me know. I try to put the link of the tutorial in the description box below. It's very easy. And I will try to look up this one. It's a nice one, a round one. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.